Hi everyone, it's Artis from AM Carpentry. Today I'm going to show you in person how to fit engineered flooring. The first job, to be fair, is to check your subfloor. Make sure all the boards are screwed, no squeaky boards, because after you lay it, it's going to be a bit too late. So yeah, check your subfloor. If you're going to stick the floor down, which you could do, it's very similar to what I'm going to do today. Only difference will be that we're going to float it today, which I'm going to show you. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it and catch up with you soon. So the first job we're going to do is we're going to lay down the underlay. And then yeah, we can start fitting the floor.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
So after you have laid down your underlay, you need to decide which way you're gonna have your boards running. I will show you. I will have it the same way as I've done in that room, so it looks like it's all one big floor. And also what you need to do is measure out, so you don't end up with silly strip either of the ends. So you need to check the width of the room, which we'll do now. So we got 3, 1, say 5, because you need 10mm either end for the gaps, expansion gaps, for our floor to move around. So yeah, we'll 3, 1, 5. I know my flooring is 150 wide, so I'll do it 3150 divided to 150. There's 21 boards exactly, so we should be good to go. And if there will be a little cut, that doesn't matter too much, but we know that we got 21 boards fitting in 215. space. So yeah, that's another thing you need to remember when you do lay the floor, because sometimes you could end up with a little cut, which is awkward at the end. So there's my little helper as well, Shadow. Sorry, not Shadow, Sherlock. Hello Sherlock, helper. Right, so we start setting out. Don't forget to use PVA on both edges. So I personally gonna use a jigsaw because not a lot of space to cut. So yeah, I've decided to use that. We can use mitre saw, whatever you really fancy. Sherlock, have a look at yourself, dirty.
Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run
talk about, what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything.
And now I'm going to show you how I get around the pipes. Take two pieces, mark out the position of the pipe. In my case it's 47 millimeters. Soft cut. And we'll have this one next. So annoyingly it's very close to the edge. It's easier being done when it's further in, but I'll still do it the way I always do it. You mark out the position of the pipes. So about 12 mil. 12 mil, so let me take it off. And put them together. You're basically using it join on the boards so you can clip them together once you've drilled the hole. But to drill a hole you need to drill both together at the same time, so it's a precise cut. That's it, we're done. So if you enjoyed it, thumbs up, and if you got any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. Cheers, bye.